Okay, let's get straight into this. Great Circle route over the pole cleared for Branson's Virgin Air. This will shave 6 hours off a flight from London to Fiji, which had to either stop in Los Angeles or Seoul en route. Airlines given permission to fly over North Pole for the first time, slashing the hours to exotic destinations. So the question is, how can you have a shortcut on a globe? This proves definitively that the Earth is flat. Long haul flights times reduced up to 50%. So I'll link these articles. I'm not going to read them. I just want to show you the flight times. So flights from London to say Fiji, or it could be anywhere, Australia, normally takes 24 hours. New time 18 hours. New time 8 hours shortcut over the North Pole to destinations such as Hawaii. So they're telling us that they could shave 8 hours off times. Say if I wanted to go from London to Sydney. So well, let's have a look at that, shall we? So let's bring up Google Earth. Okay, here's Google Earth. Here's the UK. And we will map a route from the UK to, hang on a second. If we just do it as a line, just watch what it does. So we go from the UK, we would go fly over Europe, then a stop in like say Thailand, which is there, Bangkok, that would be a stopover, and then on to Sydney. It's not okay. Distance 10,594 miles. Okay, give or take. So now let's plot the new route that they're talking about. So that you can take a shortcut. Excuse me. You can take a shortcut straight over the North Pole. Okay, so let's plot the route again, and just keep an eye on what it does. Right, I'll just do it with a normal one line. Okay, straight over the North Pole. Here's the North Pole. We're going straight over the North Pole, as they said. Okay, we want to go to Sydney. Well, but it's going to do that though, you see. It's going to swing it round like that. But look, 10,468 miles. But look what it's done. It hasn't let me go straight over the North Pole. So we'll change that to path. So then I can plot the route more manually. Here's the UK. That's what I'm doing now. Straight over the North Pole. So we'll have to plot lines. Okay, straight over the North Pole. We want to go to Sydney, so we're going to have to be going over this way a bit. Sydney. Okay, it's a little bit more, 11,000, but it doesn't matter. Because look, according to them, you can go straight over the North Pole and cut 8 hours off the journey, but the distance is the same. There is no shortcut on a globe. So, there's no doubt in my mind that these flights that can shave off 6 to 8 hours off a flight from here to here just by simply taking a shortcut across here, it's not possible. There's a reason for that, because the Earth is flat. There's no doubt about it. Because if you look on let's go and look on a flat map. Okay, here's our flat map. Okay, here's the UK. They're saying, oh, you can just go straight across here, and it'll knock 8 hours off the journey. There's a reason why. Because it's flat. It's a shortcut on a flat Earth. Okay, that's the original route, and that's what they're saying that they can do if you go straight over the North Pole. So how can they say this? How can they say airlines given permission to fly over North Pole for the first time, slashing the hours to exotic destinations up to 50%? Whole new world opened up, says Branson. They haven't done this as far as I know. This is from 2011. Many long-haul flights times will be dramatically reduced as planes are allowed to take a shortcut over the North Pole. I've just shown you there are no shortcuts on a globe. Okay? But there are if the Earth is flat. Okay? They're making us go around like that to make us think that we're on a globe. So if they say, well, yeah, you can just go this way and take a shortcut. No, because this would still be curved over a curve. If it's a shortcut, then the Earth is flat. 100%. There's no debate in it. As far as I'm concerned, this is just complete proof that the Earth is flat.